guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Today we are going to learn a Brad Paisley song, and this is a song from his first album, and it's one of my favorites. Really jazzy. The intro lick is really cool, and it goes through a couple of chord changes and things like that. It's a really fun song to play. Guys, if you enjoy my videos, click that subscribe button below. And check out my description below for a chance to sign up for my guitar community. So this song is not for a beginner. This is pretty tricky, has a couple of different techniques in it, and honestly I probably don't play it exactly the way that Brad does, but I'm going to show you the way that I play it. So let's go through the chords and see what we're doing. So the first three things that we're doing are just walking down chords. So this very first one is a B flat major chord. So that's the full chord. We're just playing these bottom notes. So you're barring with your first finger the 6th fret on the B and the E string, and then you're going to put your second finger on the 7th fret of the G string. And I'm going to play, I'm going to do, slide up to that. So I'm playing these first two with the pick, then I'm plucking this last one with my finger. And then we're going to go to a D minor. First finger on the 5th on the high E string, second on the 6th on the B string, and then 3rd on the 7th of the G string. So we're just going to walk there, and the way I'm doing is I'm plucking these two, picking this last one. And then we're going to do that again with the C sharp minor 7. So let's try that together. 1, 2, ready, and you can keep your fingers down the whole time. You can slide down. I'm just doing that to clean it up a little bit. And it also helps a little bit with your timing. So whatever you're comfortable with, do it that way. So we've got those chords: B, B flat, D, C sharp, and then, so this one is still doing sort of that same chord position for that minor chord, like that, for the C minor, so C sharp minor, C minor, but we're gonna play individual notes. So 3rd finger on the high E, then we're going to do our pinky on the 6th, that's 4th on the B, and then 5th on the G. And we're kind of just pulling those off. And then we're going to go back to here. Alright, so let's go from the beginning again. 1, 2, ready, and then we're going to go to the 5th fret on the D string, and then the 3rd fret to the 5th fret, 3rd fret to the 5th fret, and then we're going to end on the 3rd fret of the D. So work on that a little bit. Sometimes when you play it faster, that timing is a little hard to get right, but just work on it, get your fingers used to playing it. Let's go through it slow one more time. 1, 2, ready. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the play along tab. I'll do a slow version and a fast version. Click subscribe and see you next time.